If you're over 60 and want stronger legs, better balance, and more confidence when walking, stay right here. These 3 simple leg exercises will help you move like you're years younger. Let's do this together. It's day 29 of our 60-day senior fitness journey. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, chair squats. 50 repetitions. All right, my amazing friends, let us begin our first exercise for today, the sit to stand, also known as chair squats. This is a wonderful movement that strengthens your thighs, hips, and knees and helps improve balance and independence in daily life. So, let us get ready. Sit on your sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor and shoulder width apart. Cross your arms gently over your chest. Keep your back nice and straight, shoulders relaxed, and eyes forward. Now we are going to stand up slowly, then sit back down with control. Do not rush. Breathe naturally as we move together. Ready? Let us begin our count and move together, nice and steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How are you feeling, my friends? Keep going. You are doing wonderfully. Stay tall, keep breathing, and remember, every movement makes you stronger. Let us continue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Almost there. Do not stop now. Feel that strength building in your legs. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. You have completed 50 sit to stands. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and feel proud. You just strengthened your legs, improved your balance, and boosted your energy. Great job, my friends. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions, 50 repetitions each leg. All right, my champions, it is time for our second exercise, seated leg extensions. This movement is wonderful for strengthening your thigh muscles, improving knee stability, and helping you walk with more confidence. Sit tall on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your hands resting on the sides for balance. Keep your feet flat on the floor and look straight ahead. Now, slowly lift your right leg forward until it becomes straight in front of you. Hold it there for a second, then lower it down gently. That is 1 repetition. We will go together, step by step, and count from 1 to 50. Ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep breathing, my champions. You are doing great. Share this video with a senior friend who wants stronger legs like you. Let us keep going together. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Stay strong, we are almost there. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Beautiful work. Remember to breathe and keep your posture straight. You are strengthening both legs, improving circulation, and building stability. Great job, my friends. You are doing amazing. Exercise 3, standing calf raises, 50 repetitions. Now, my strong and amazing friends, it is time for our third and final exercise for today, standing calf raises. This exercise helps strengthen your calves, ankles, and feet, which improves your balance and walking stability. Stand behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest gently for support. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, your knees straight, and your posture tall. Now slowly lift your heels off the ground and rise onto your toes. Feel that stretch in your lower legs. Then lower your heels back down gently. Remember, slow and steady is the key. Ready? Let us count together from 1 to 50, nice and strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Stay with me. How are your legs feeling? Stronger? Do not quit. We are almost there. Keep breathing, keep smiling, and keep moving with control. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You are doing excellent. Stay tall and steady. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work. You just completed 50 standing calf raises. Take a deep breath and gently shake your legs to relax them. Feel that warm strength building in your calves and feet. You are doing something amazing for your health, balance, and confidence. Wonderful job, my friends. You truly make every repetition count. If you completed the workout with me, write "Done Day 29" below and tell me which country you're watching from. Don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay active with us. I'll see you tomorrow for day 30. Keep moving, stay positive, and remember your best years are still moving.